This is how you change your oil filter. This is your oil filter. Your old one looked like that. It was latched onto that. It's simple. Just remove it. Take it out like that, as this is full with oil. Remove it and tip it over. Dispose of it properly. Take the new oil filter. Get a light if you must, and look for that. This goes onto that. Can you see the hole? Yep. This filters the oil. And try and latch it on. Yep. Very simple. Very, very simple. Just put it on. Just roll it. You don't want this to be overly tightened. Neither do you want it to be loose. This is brand new. Just tighten it just nice. Get a nice grip. Yep. It's tight enough. Beautiful. And that's how you change your oil filter. For your black oil, or engine oil, some say, this is the gasket, as you can see. The notch was here. It has been removed to let the oil drain. I've put back the notch. I've put some engine flush in, added some new oil in, let the engine run for approximately 15 minutes, switch the engine off, wait for the engine to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes, open that yet again, and let the new oil and engine flush drain out for a cleaner and better engine. Now that it's already dripping, I'm just going to give this portion a bit of a wipe. I'm going to close this back. Hold on. There you go. That's it. I'm going to give it a bit of a wipe. Shut it back in here. Tighten it to just about nice right. Not too tight, not too loose, not overly tight as it can break the washer. And I'm going to refill the top in the bonnet with brand new oil. Easy. Thank you.